All right, here is the backyard. As I walk along, you see the pool house and the dirty pool. Pretty big and expansive. This is the well house, the old barn, and the pasture, and then back up the driveway. So let's scan back around. Take a walk out this way. Both these old buildings will come down. Wendy's mother's place is going to be built right back in there. It's where you see that power pole. A lot of this vegetation will go away. I'm going to cut everything we can down. I'm going to save all that old barn wood and all the tin off the top of it. Here's entering into the pasture. We go up that hill in the distance there about a third of the way. And if you see through that opening, that's the neck of the lake. And there's a pretty big size field on the other side of that little wall of growth. And then just lots and lots and lots of space. Don't know if you can tell from this perspective, but it's a whole lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. I'll try to give you a little bit of a feel for it. This is one of the fields. We own back to that heavy tree line. The lake is straight in front of me here, comes up to about that big tall tree. Then in front of this giant pecan there in the future, to its left is another probably 3.5 acres of open field. And this is just the view going back up the road. And in this open space I'm walking into, we'll trim it all up, probably cut that giant tree down. And I plan on putting the garage right here. Garage kind of workshop. And one of these days, maybe a pole barn right back in this heavy vegetation area, which it'll go away. So that's the cheap tour. I'm going to keep running and go up here to the edge of the field if I can keep enough camera going. Let's just see how open and pretty it is on this side. All these bushes you see will go away. All this garbage will go away. So there's the back field. Goes to the edge of those woods. Can't really see it very well, but through that area where that gate is the front field. All right, that's the tour.